Yes, sir.
So let's move ahead now. Last time we have seen the time period formula when there is a tunnel along the diameter of the earth and an object is oscillating. And for that formula we have derived, that is T is equal to 2 pi under root R by G, where R is the radius of earth, G is the acceleration due to gravity. When we have substituted values, we got nearly 84.6 minutes. That is what the time period of that object. Okay. Now let's see another application. Okay. What is that? Now body is body of mass m and cross-sectional area A floating in a liquid of density sigma with height h submerged in the liquid. Submerged in the liquid. Right. Now here you see, if this is a body, okay, and this is container, and inside this you are having liquid. Now what is the case? Now this body is floating, but in such a way that this part is there now, this H part is submerged in the liquid of this complete block. Understood? And this rho is what? This, what you can say, sigma. Sigma is what? Density of this liquid. And m is what? The mass of the block. Okay. And cross-sectional area of this block also they have given, that is A. Now in this case, now here I am not pulling, just at equilibrium, just we have left like that. So at equilibrium means before oscillating, before pulling it down. At equilibrium, what we are having, Ray? Weight is going to balance with buoyant force, है ना? Weight is going to balance with buoyant force. And weight is what here? mg. Buoyant force is what, Ray? Bolo bolo. Buoyant force is V sigma g. Agree with me? Yes, no? In the first case, when this is at equilibrium, you are having in downward direction its weight. Upward direction, you are having buoyant force. Agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And that's why mg is equal to V rho. This is sigma. V sigma g. Now this volume, can I write like this? This volume V is equal to A into H, and therefore mg is equal to AH rho g. Yes, no? Volume of submerged part. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Now this G and this G cancel. What I am getting? M is equal to A H sigma. Agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now this is what in the first case before pulling it down. Now what I am doing, when the body is slightly pushed down, when body pushed down by displacement y, by displacement y. Okay, what we did, we have pushed it down with displacement y. Then what happens here? Restoring force is equal to minus A sigma G y. What is that? Minus A sigma G into y. Now let's use this formula. F is equal to minus ky. This is first equation. This is second equation. From this you are getting k is equal to A sigma G, and therefore in this case time period T is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. Yes, no? Now substitute the values. What you are getting? 2 pi under root m by A sigma G. So in this case, you are getting time period 2 pi under root m by A sigma G. But see here. Now just before some time we have found that m is equal to what, ray? A H sigma. Yes, no? But we know m is equal to A H sigma. Can I substitute that value there in the above formula? And therefore time period T is equal to 2 pi under root. Substitute here A H sigma divided by A sigma G. So what I can cancel? This A cancels with this A. This sigma cancels with this sigma. And what is my final time period formula? Time period T is equal to 2 pi under root H by G, where H is what? The height of submerged block. And how much height of that block is immersed into the liquid, and acceleration due to gravity. So in such a cases, which formula you have to use? T is equal to 2 pi under root H by G. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Note down fast. Here, maybe you may have some doubt why AY rho G I have taken. Okay, why I have taken? Because extra जो volume आ रहा है, actually this is also V sigma G only. But this extra volume is coming now, that is due to the pulling, है ना? Y displacement I have pulled, area into Y, phi rho, phi sigma G. Yes, no? What is my point? That's what, this part you can see here, those who have doubt. Here also V sigma G, but this volume is little changing due to the extra pull, and that's why here I am taking AY instead of taking AH. Understand? Now any doubt? Please ask. Understood now? Yes, no? Understood or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Good. Yes, Harsha, you understood?
Yes, sir.
Good. Just I'm pulling extra na with y displacement. That's why just volume is what I should replace with area into that length. That is what y. Hai na? So that's why ay sigma g I am getting.
Okay,
Understood?
sir.
Somewhere at the corner you can write this part. Phi it is coming y instead of h. Here we got h sir, but why here y? Because we are pulling it with displacement y. Yes? Yes, finished. Shall I go to the next page? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, everyone finished? No. Everyone finished?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Any doubt you can ask. Okay. Now, next note point. So what I am writing, liquid oscillating in a U-shaped tube. U-shaped tube. What is the application? If suppose liquid is oscillating in U-shaped tube, then what to do? First of all, let's draw one U-tube, and in that U-tube, let us suppose liquid is oscillating. Let me draw the diagram first. and now in this liquid is there. This dot lines are there now. I am showing you maximum and minimum positions, we can say. And somewhere here is your equilibrium position in between. Okay? Got it my point?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? Please tell me. Now this one is Y. Also, this one is also Y only, hai na? And this is mean position. About this mean position, it is oscillating. Got it? Understand, this point you can take it as A, this one is B, and again here also it will come, no, liquid again, up and down. This will come down, this will come up, this will go up, this will come down. Yes, no? One will go up, one will come down. It will like this, it will oscillate only. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Got the clarity? And rho is the density of that liquid. Understood?
Yes, sir.
And let us suppose initially from this point A to this liquid is height is how much? Let us suppose h. What is the height? H. Got it my point now? Understood? Initially when we are filling that now, that time how much height? H only. Right. Now see here. अब देखो, in this case, now force F is equal to P into A, है ना? Force pressure is equal to force by area. Force is equal to pressure into area. Okay. Now, first of all, what is the pressure here? What is the pressure here? What is the pressure formula? We have H rho G formula, hai na? But this is basic formula, okay? H rho G is what? Basic formula. But in this case, this H is equal to what? 2y rho into G. And therefore, F is equal to 2y rho into G into A. This is what? F. And as it is restoring force, this is what? Restoring force. And therefore, F is equal to minus 2 rho Ga into Y. Okay. Now, why you are getting this 2y? Because here you see this complete is 2y. Hai na? Displacement. Yes, no? Yes? If we will draw the free body diagram of this oscillating liquid, this is what 2y. Above you are having resultant force. Downward you are having mg. Okay. Now let's compare this with minus ky. What we are getting a k value. Therefore, comparing you are getting k value is equal to 2 rho Ga. And let's find out now time period. So therefore time period T is equal to 2 pi under root m by k. So T is equal to 2 pi under root m as it is, and k is 2 rho ga. Now this m value we have to find. What is this m value? What is the m value? See here, if I am assuming that the liquid column has mass, actually this sigma is equal to rho we have taken na. Okay, so you take rho is equal to, can I write m by v? Any doubt here? I want to substitute this mass na. So m is equal to what, Ray? First of all, rho is equal to m by v, no? Agree with me? Rho is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to m by v. ध्यान से देखो. Here rho is equal to m by v, and therefore m is equal to rho into v. Now this volume is equal to what, Ray? Volume is equal to what? How much volume? 2 times area into h, है ना? Volume is equal to what? 2 times area into h. If I will substitute now here this m value, then I am getting 2 pi under root 2ah rho divided by 2 rho g into a. Now cancel the things. This 2 cancels with this 2, a cancels with this a, h cancels or not? No, rho only cancels, h remains as it is. है ना? So only rho cancels, rho and this rho. So what is our formula? Bolo bolo. 2 pi under root h by g, and therefore time period of oscillation in this case is 2 pi under root h by g when liquid is oscillating with amplitude, or in the tube of height h filled with liquid, है ना? In tube we have filled liquid till height h, then time period is equal to pi under root h by g. Understood? Note down. Any doubt, please ask. Any doubt, please ask. So we will stop here. Okay.
Thank you, sir.